Hi, good evening, everyone. So, beta, now I'm taking another question. Again, this is sent to us by students and they're asking if the answer key is correct or not. तो बेटा एक बार देख लेते हैं कि आंसर की में क्या आंसर दिया हुआ है और एक्चुअल आंसर इसमें क्या है. ठीक है जी. So the question that is stated is the following. Let me just zoom this a bit. This is the question ID, beta. 9209064087. ठीक है जी. Assertion. Coase theorem states that as long as property rights are defined and enforced, bargaining between parties can ensure efficient outcome in the presence of externalities. एकदम ठीक बात है. सिर्फ externalities के केस में ही Coase theorem applicable होती है ना? So whenever there is externality, Coase theorem is applied. But how is it applied? It is applied by saying that you define property rights. तो अगर दो parties हैं तो आप ये define कर दो कि वो जैसे for example हम हमेशा वो upstream downstream example लेते हैं, right? So you just define whether the river belongs to the person sitting upstream or the person sitting downstream, and if you define that, then in that case Coase theorem is applicable. ये हमें पता है. So बेटा this is correct. This is true option. This is true. This is correct. That Coase theorem is applicable in the presence of externalities. And how is it applicable, beta? It is applicable by defining the property rights. Ekdam theek hai. Now come to the second option, beta. The second option says that the assignment of property right among parties can resolve externality problem when the number of parties involved is large. तो बेटा ये जो होता है Coase theorem के लिए हमारे पास कुछ conditions होती हैं और उस condition में एक important condition ये होती है that bargaining should be inexpensive. Bargaining पे बहुत ज्यादा पैसा नहीं खर्च करना है. Property rights define करने में बहुत ज्यादा पैसा नहीं खर्च करना है. The bargaining or the legal fees जो भी है होगा that should be inexpensive. So in case of large parties involved, जब बहुत सारी parties involved होंगी, तो what will happen? Beta, what will happen is that it will become a very complex situation to define the property rights. ठीक है? तो large parties के case में to define the property rights will become very difficult. और अगर property rights ही नहीं define कर पाओगे, तो Coase theorem applicable ही नहीं होगी. So this is an incorrect option, beta. This is false. This can only be applied when the number of parties involved is less, is small. When there are large parties involved, large number of parties involved, जब बहुत सारी parties involved होंगी, तो उस case में Coase theorem applicable नहीं हो सकती. You cannot apply Coase theorem when multiple parties are involved. You can only apply Coase theorem when 2 or 3 parties at max are involved. तभी examples में भी हम हमेशा 2 party case ही करते हैं, right? So the correct answer to this question is that the first option is correct. Assertion is true, but the reason is incorrect. That is false. So the correct answer should be 3. A is correct, but R is incorrect. 3 is the correct option to this question. I hope this is clear. If the answer key is suggesting option 3, then there is no need to challenge it. It is the correct answer. If you have any other questions जिसमें आपको doubt जा रहा है, आपको लग रहा है कि answer की कुछ और बोल रही है, but answer कुछ और है, do share that question with us. Share your answer, share answer key with us, and I will tell you whether answer key is correct or not.